Hi there, Adam here from Interplay, and in this video I want to give you a quick introduction to what Interplay is and how it works. Interplay allows your whole delivery team to work together by allowing everyone to use the same set of code components in their favourite tools, including Figma, Sketch, the browser, and of course in code. Here's how it works. You import your code components into Interplay. Our automated tool means you can do this automatically without wrapping each component in proprietary code or writing them specially for Interplay. So Interplay automatically stays up to date with the latest code changes. Your design system team can then browse and tweak your component settings, add notes on how to use them, see a version history of your component changes over time, then publish your code components as version releases out to your design tools. Let's use Figma as an example. Using the Interplay plugin for Figma, designers can browse the published component libraries and drag components onto the canvas. Note that in the plugin there's still code components, not pictures of components. We can change the code properties using exactly the same settings that the developers would use, and the component is re-rendered in place. So your designers can work with the full power of your design system components without having to learn how to write code. And your developers can access the designs as a clean set of component configuration that uses their own components and settings. This eliminates a lot of the duplication and manual redlining in traditional processes and puts your design system to work at the heart of your delivery team. That's all for now. I hope that's given you a good overview of how it fits together. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let us know at support@interplayapp.com. Thank you.